All right, new purchase here on the Golfcart. Got some new hubcaps for the wheels. A little tire shine on the tires too to shine them up, make them look a little better. When I bought this, it just had like white steel wheels, and these say SS chrome, just to look like more of a wheel than just a little steel wheel underneath there. Got the hubcaps off Amazon, $36 I believe, delivered in 2 days, so real simple. They just snap on there, but it does make it look a little bit nicer. And also off Amazon, got a tinted windshield for it, or windscreen, whatever you want to call it. It was $102 shipped. Same thing, 2 days showed up. It took 5 minutes to install the windscreen, and same thing, the hubcaps took 2 minutes to do. But figured it worth investing a little bit of money into an old golf cart. I think this one's like a 2000 or 2002, something like that. Unbelievable golf cart prices right now, how high they are. So put a little hubcaps on there, some tire shine, and a new windscreen, make it look good. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. This is also the golf cart that I switched from 6-volt Trojan batteries to 3 Walmart Deep Cycle 12-volt batteries. They're about 1.5 years old now. Still doing great. I know a lot of you guys have questions about it. I'll link my other video when I did the install of the batteries if you want to follow that. I think next maybe I'll get a better set of fog lights for the front of it. If you have any recommendations on fog lights, just leave a comment there in the section below, and I'll consider some new fog lights for the golf cart. But thanks for watching my videos, guys. I appreciate it. Hey guys, if you liked my video, you can check out other videos right here just like it. Please hit my subscribe button, and thanks for watching.